All right. So picture this. You're an Acumatica consultant, right? And you've got a client who's been working in their sandbox environment.
Uh-huh.
They've been testing transactions, trying out new features, but now they need to move some of that data to their live system.
Yeah, sounds familiar.
The catch is they don't want all the sandbox data to go live, just specific pieces.
Oh, yeah. That's a classic problem. I've seen that many times.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And it can be a real headache trying to figure out how to pick and choose what gets transferred.
for sure.
Luckily, we've got someone here today who's got a clever solution for this data migration dilemma.
Oh, great.
This is where Giri comes in. He's a senior software engineer at Solutions.
Okay.
And let me tell you, he's got a wealth of experience in Acumatica implementations.
Really?
Yeah, we're talking over 200 unique scenarios he's tackled.
Wow. That's impressive.
So he knows a thing or two about this kind of stuff.
I bet.
So let's dive in and see what he's come up with.
Yeah, let's hear it.
So tell me, what's the most common issue you see with clients when it comes to sandbox data and moving it to live?
Well, clients love using the sandbox to test things out, right? They can play around with transactions, experiment with new features without affecting their live data.
Right, makes sense.
But then when it's time to move some of that data to the live system, they don't want all that test data cluttering things up.
Makes total sense. They want a clean live environment.
Exactly. And that's where things can get tricky.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Like I had this one client who was restoring a snapshot from their sandbox, and they accidentally brought over a bunch of test transaction data. It was a mess.
Oh no, that sounds like a nightmare to clean up.
It was not a fun start to the week, let me tell you.
So how do you avoid that kind of situation? What's the secret sauce?
Okay, so, Acumatica has those different snapshot configurations, right?
Like full of attachments, things like that.
Exactly. Those are great for general backups and restores, but they don't give you control at the table level.
I see. So you can't just say, give me the customer data, but hold the test orders.
Nope. Unfortunately, not that straightforward.
So what's the workaround? What did Gary figure out?
Well, he discovered that you can actually tweak the snapshot configuration file to exclude specific tables during the restore.
Wait, really? You could do that?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's actually simpler than you might think.
Okay. I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
So you find the snapshot configuration file. It's usually in the Acumatica installation directory.
Okay.
And then you just add a line for each table you want to exclude.
So, like, if I wanted to exclude all the order data, what would that line look like?
It's pretty straightforward. The syntax is exclude table name.
Okay, so in this case, it would be exclude table sorter.
Exactly. You got it.
And I can just keep adding lines like that for any other tables I want to leave behind.
Yep. As many as you need.
Yeah.
It gives you a lot of control over what gets migrated.
This is brilliant. This is going to save consultants and clients so much time and hassle.
It really is. It's one of those little tricks that can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. And it just goes to show you the power of understanding the underlying mechanics of Acumatica.
Couldn't agree more. Sometimes a little digging can unlock some amazing customization options.
So true. So true. Well, this has been incredibly insightful. Thanks for sharing Giri's workaround with us.
My pleasure. Glad I could help.
And for all of you Acumatica consultants out there, if you're facing similar challenges or just need expert help with your implementations,
Yeah, don't hesitate to reach out.
Solutions has a team ready to assist you. They've got the experience, the knowledge, and the clever solutions to keep your projects running smoothly.
Definitely give them a call.
You can reach them at 678-910-2774. Now, while you're thinking about that, I'll leave you with this. What other hidden gems of Acumatica customization are out there just waiting to be discovered? Happy exploring.
Yeah, good luck, everyone.
And that's a wrap for this deep dive. We'll catch you next time.
See you later.